Hello, everyone. So I am demoing the Pear Deck add-on to Google Slides. And in this particular video, we're already looking at what it looks like once you've set up your slide deck and you've activated slash launched your Pear Deck. So what you see on the screen here is the URL that student or teachers or users, whoever your end users are typing into a web browser, joinpd.com. And once they get there, they type in this particular unique code for your particular lesson. So I've already done that with one of my devices, which is why you see here that it says your first student is connected, right? So I can now start the class as the teacher. So I can click on Start Class. Because I've set this up to where students can actually go through the presentation on their own, they don't need me to actually project onto the screen. Instead, all I need to do is make sure that the class is started and the students on their own device can actually move through the different video. In this case, it's a slide deck, right? And then let me jump over to this particular question here. So we're going to do a couple of video reflection questions starting here. So I've got a video that I can watch. And so I'm just moving through on my phone as well to get to that same page. And what it does on my device is that when I launch that particular video,
First, we're here with Evan Jones
which
at
you might
Michigan
be able
State
to hear.
University. So, Evan, what are the biggest threats of misinformation out there right now? So the short answer.
All right, so on my device, I'm actually watching this particular video, which if I clicked it here, this is exactly what I did.
First, we're here with Evan Jones at Michigan State University. So, Evan, what are the biggest threats of misinformation out there right now?
So if your students did that either on their mobile devices, which is what I did earlier, or on their computers like I've done here, then they get to watch that clip of the video. And when they move on to the next slide, then they get the question that you've asked them. And on the device, I'm looking at this very same question I have on my mobile phone, where it says answer question. And so I'm going to select, the answer there and then move on to the next slide and so forth. You don't see that on my screen because this is just showing you up here sort of my view. But if I say show responses, this is the teacher view. You can see that I did answer as a student already. So that's kind of how it comes together. In another video, I'll show you how to actually piece it together. But I wanted to show you quickly here how it comes together once you have it done.